This is Nathan Childress with Mobius Medical Systems giving you a brief demonstration of the automation features available in DoseLab Pro version 5.5. First, we'll make sure all of our automation features are turned on, and then we'll do a 5-field map check comparison. So we'll load our 5 Fluence files output from Pinnacle, click Open, and notice it automatically finds our 5 measured files. We'll build a PDF report that includes interactive profiles and a gamma image. You can turn on as much or as few of these as we would like, and click Next. The first thing that happens is these 10 images are loaded, and we make sure that they are paired to each other. And you'll note that it needs to be rotated to match, but that's okay. DoseLab Pro will take care of that. If we need to change the dose conversions for our Pinnacle files, like if we delivered each file with a different number of MUs, we can simply change that here. In this case, they were all delivered with the same number of MUs, so we're fine. We'll tell it to merge all PDF files into a single report. We'll add a summary page at the beginning and use the same patient information for all comparisons. Once we click Next, because we've selected all of our automation options, it's completely automatic. We could select less automation options and have some screens show up in between to make sure things are going okay, but I like starting off with a fully automatic comparison. It takes about 8 seconds per comparison to do all of the gamma calculations, the distance to agreement calculations, the automatic alignment, everything involved in the comparison, as well as generating the PDF files. This gives you a lot more time to actually look at the results that DoseLab Pro outputs rather than spending time obtaining the basic dose comparison results. So you'll see we're almost done with file 5, and now we're writing the new PDF file. And here it is. At this point, we're completely done with the dose comparison, including PDF file generation. We have patient information at the top. Then here we have a very nice summary for each of the 5 files. We have the normalization factor. You can see we're within 1%. That's very good with all files. Our gamma passing rate is very high, about 99% for all files. And our NAT index is very good, although files 2 and 5 are a little bit higher than the rest. You can see I probably was off 1 millimeter in the Y direction when I set up my map check, but I was pretty good in the X direction. As far as the results from all 5 files, we have profiles from file 1, the gamma image from file 1, and then we have profiles and gamma image for file 2, file 3, file 4, and file 5. Well, now since comparisons 2 and 5 were a little bit higher with the NAT index, let's go back and take a look at some interactive profiles from them. So we'll just click Interactive Profiles to be displayed, and then when we click Display Results, it will ask which comparisons would you like to see more information from. So we'll pick 2 and 5. Because we did this fully automated to start with, a lot of times we'll want to go back and take a more in-depth look at some of these before we actually sign off on the QA. So now we can look at our profiles and see, indeed, we still have good alignment there and good results here as well.